For the last 80 years, Ag students from Iowa State University have managed and operated a completely student-run farm known as the Ag 450 Farm. Agricultural specialist and farm manager Greg Vogel has made the decision to retire this year after overseeing students for the past 28 years.
Most enjoyable thing that has gone on with my job here is the opportunity to work with the students. Especially as getting older, it keeps you young. I guess I like to think I learn as much from them as they hopefully do from me. Number one, my goal was to find something I liked and do it, which took me till I was 36. I wasn't a job bunny by any means, but I kind of put myself in a box as to what I was capable of. I kept going down kind of the same path, thinking that's what I was meant to do. And when I came back to school, I found out there are other opportunities and other avenues to look down. Part of my future is you want to be active in retirement, and the relationships I've been able to build, and the opportunity, and the number of people that I've had to associate with here opens up opportunities for me after retirement.
In 1990, there were 450 acres of row crop, a farrow-to-finish swine operation, 7 student employees, and 2 full-time employees. Today, the farm runs just south of Ames with 2 full-time employees, 1 student employee, and approximately 1,500 acres and 4,000 head of hogs finished annually. Vogel works to oversee these operations as a manager and an instructor on a day-to-day basis.
And pigs, actually, when you think about it, they're really a clean animal. If you manage the airload right in the barn, they'll have an area that's the bedroom, an area that's the bathroom, an area that's the kitchen. They won't defecate in the kitchen. They won't defecate where they sleep. Normally, you can tell it's right along here because they like to visit while they're in the bathroom, kind of like reading the newspaper. So they can see each other across and kind of sit here and they do the business right here.
A day in my life is what would typically be a mixture of education and production. You start out with the chores and what are the needs to get the facility taken care of for the day, and then we transition into working on lesson plans, curriculum items, and then for 3 days a week, then it's class in the afternoons, and then of course at the end of that, you still have to shut the place down for the day.
Overall, for Vogel, this opportunity has been a chance to enrich his life and the lives of the young people he worked with. He will be greatly missed by his students and the Ag program of Iowa State University.